Hello. Okay, so we need to get the control panel replaced for the PX01 island, and so we need to either lift up the glass or hopefully we can lift it up and prop it up, because we need to get this panel off that is right above the control panel. So you can use large pieces of cardboard or foam or something. Otherwise we will need to take the unit down and take the glass off, and then we have this panel that's held down with these two screws, and when we loosen these screws we'll be able to take off the panel. And we'll have direct access to the back of the control panel. We have the ribbon connector that's plugged into it. Then we have one screw on either side of the panel holding it in. So we're going to loosen those screws, unplug the ribbon connector, and then you can put the new panel in and screw it in, plug in the ribbon connector, and then you'll put the panel back over it, and then you can tighten it up and then either lower the glass back down, secure it, or put the glass on, put the unit back up, and then should be good to go. Alright, let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.